Good afternoon, all of you. Hope all of you are stay safe and stay at home. Due to network problem, I'm going to record this session, and after recording, I will share with you. Today, I'm going to explain Unit 5th, Web of Things and Cloud of Things. Actually, all of you know that what do mean the Internet of Things. Internet of Things is nothing but the things and objects are connected to the internet, and we all saw these object and things, all these object and all these things are using internet. So today we are going to start this unit 5th, Web of Things and Cloud of Things. Web of Things is nothing but it's a part of Internet of Things. If we consider that the internet is one of the restaurant, and this Web of Things is one of the famous dish in between this restaurant. So nowadays the internet and world wide web, which is called as a www, terms are used as if they will represent the same things, but the internet existed long before this www. It provides an application layer that simplifies the creation of Internet of Things application. It means that using this Internet of Things, we can use the different object which is connected to the internet, or rather than they reinventing the completely new standards. This Web of Things reuses existing and well-known web standards. Yes, as I already told that if the internet is if the internet treated as a restaurant, then www can be considered as the most popular dish of that restaurant. Okay, so while this www is the method to access the internet with the help of this http using the address links like www dot the name of that particular website and the extension like www.gmail.com, or this part is already you know that how to access the web. The only things that the Web of Things is one of the part of this internet. Okay, so if we consider the Web of Things to this Internet of Things, the internet is like a restaurant, and this web of things is the one of the famous dish in between that restaurants. So to give the general example, consider internet is a restaurant, then the www is the most popular dish of that restaurants. In the same sense, Web of Things, which is called as a WOT, is considered as next step of IoT and applications oriented view to this IoT. So in short, Web of Things provide a way to implement Internet of Things by integrating the web application layer and internet layer. So you can say that Web of Things provide a way to implement Internet of Things by integrating the web applications and internet. So there are many examples like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, BeagleBone Black. Boards provide a way to realize the IoT based application, as we already seen in previous units. Different embedded boards are responsible for the creation of the different IoT applications. Okay, so you can say that using the Web of Things, we can implement or we can execute this Internet of Things applications. Okay, using the different Arduino boards uh, uh, different Arduino boards, like different Arduino boards, different Raspberry Pi boards, then different BeagleBone Black boards. These are the some examples. Using these boards, we can execute, we can implement, we can create different types of IoT applications. So we'll see what is the Web of Things architecture. Yes, we know that there are different layers of this Web of Things architectures, like layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, and layer 4. These are the main four layers of this Web of Things architectures, and different network things are one of the base source of this Web of Things architectures. Network things included the different devices, like we can say that yes, this RFID tag is also one of the network things. Then this BeagleBone Black or this Arduino is also one of the network things. Then the different LANs, Wi-Fi. Yes, the anything which we connect to the network is called as a network things. Yes, or we can say that these IoT things or this IoT object is also referred as a network things. Layer 1 is the access layer, layer 2 is the fine layers, and layer 3 is a layer third is the share layers. So yes, this layer 1 deals with the access of things to the internet and ensure that they expose their services via web API. So already we know that which are the web API. This web API is responsible to, or it deals with the access of things, or it is responsible to connect the different things using this web API to the internet, like this HTML, webhooks, URL, gateway, COAP, REST API, HTTP, WebSocket. These are the layer 1 or these are the some web APIs which deals with the access to the internet. Then the next layer of, or next layer of this, or next level of this architecture is nothing but the layer 2, which provide a way to find and locate the things on the web. Okay, layer 2 is to provide a way to find and locate things on the web, like the REST crawler, Web of Things model, JSON, linked data, semantic web, then DNS. These are the which this layer is also the responsible to find the location of that object. Okay, then next is a share layer, which ensure that the data generated by the things can be shared in an efficient and secure manner. Yes, the different social networks, API tokens, then encryptions, authentications. These are the also uh, uh, data generated by the things can be shared in an efficient and secure manner. And lastly, the layer 4, which integrate the services and data offered by the things into higher level web tools. Okay, uh, through these different layers, through these different components, we can say that this web of things is implemented, or this web of things uh, describe the various frameworks and standards used in four pillars of this IoT, that is like M2M, RFID, SCADA, WSN, with respect to WIT. Or basically, we know that using this WOT, using this web of things, we can execute, we can implement the Internet of Things. Okay, so there are two uh, pillars of this the two pillars of this web. The technologies like HTML, HTTP, and URL, in a coordination with the TCP/IP protocol suite, provided a strong base to the internet, using which beneficial applications like a browser were created. As discussed earlier, Web of Things specify the application view of this IoT. The overall architecture of WT can be defined by two pillars of the web, like HTML, uh, HTTP URL, and next layer is the web browser, multi-tier software architecture, and application server. Okay, so these are the two pillars. This one pillar which include the softwares, or the one pillar which use the different protocols. Okay, by using this both we can implement the WOT. So next is architecture standardization for the WT. Already we have seen that in unit 4, the different standardization of this IoT. There are many organizations are doing the efforts, or taking the efforts for the standardization of this IoT, like different pillars having also the standardization organization, like M2M standardization, RFID standardization, SCADA standardization. So now this architecture standardization for this WOT, which include